Dynamite, authority of quality sound production. But today I'm going to introduce you guys to my new talk show called Sounds of Equality. Sounds of Equality is a show that's based on DAE sound production, so we can show you the behind the scenes that DAE sound production do. Also, we're going to be doing interviews and stuff like that, so we can interview other performers, artists, or anything in entertainment or art craft out here in the state of Heavenly Sound. If you don't know what the state of Heavenly Sound is, it's DC, Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina, the state of Heavenly Sound. But again, I just wanted to introduce you guys to my new talk show, Sounds of Equality. You can check us out at YouTube. I'm gonna make it easy for you. Just follow us on Twitter at Sound of Equality on Twitter, or my other Twitter page, DAE Sound Team. No spacing, from Sounds of Equality and DAE Sound Team. No spacing. And also, you can hit me up on Facebook at D Authority, or you can just add me as your friend at D Authority, so I can add you to my Facebook group. But I hope you check the show out. I hope you like it, and get any comments, whatever you wanted to tell me. I respond to everything that people tells me. So check the show out. I hope I see you there. All right, DAE out.